is the Eskimo. Okay. So first things first, we got a 60-inch runner kit for the sled of the Eskimo shelter. So we're going to start doing that. Alright, inside the box is just 3 of these, the runners. You got 3. What else is in the box? Drill bit, instructions. There's the proof. So you get nuts and bolts and washers. In one package, you got the instructions of how to place them, and then it includes a drill bit inside the kit. So in the instructions, when using the drill bit, when you're doing the runners, drilling the runners for the holes, make sure from each end you're 1 inch away from the end. If you get too closer than 1 inch, you'll crack the material, the plastic, whatever. So here, I'll explain to you. I'll show you. So drill bit in this hand. So measure 1 inch from here. So you're looking at it like that. Then you could drill. Any closer, you're gonna crack the material here. Alright. Where's the bend? This one. There's a more bend to it. Alright. So in the instructions it says 1 inch from the end. From both ends. You measure them out. You start drilling through the plastic, bend it over, and then it'll work. And it'll stick. So on the tub, depending on the tub that you have, in our case, this Eskimo tub, it has the indents already. 1, 2, 3 for a 3-runner kit. So you just put them there. Once you have it drilled, put it in there like this. Hold it up in the sky. Put this bolt screw into place, tighten it down, and then bend it to the shape of the tub, and then repeat the process. Drill all the way to the end, and then voila, you are finished. Okay, I'm just taking tape measure, marking 1 inch from each end with a Sharpie. So just do it for all 3. Get your bolts, get that. Get your drill, start drilling away. Try to keep it center. Countersink, just be careful. Once it's countersunk, then you could drill. See, drill right through, and then put the bolts. Okay, so after you're done drilling the front end, the rear of the runners and countersinking them, and then drilling the front of the tub, each hole. So now the screw, bolt, whatever, you can put it in here and leave it like that, and have this sticking out inside the tub with your nut. Okay, after you do the first 3 runners like that, sticking up, now bend them down like this. Bend it down, and then you got to put another screw at the end. But let's do this. Put a screw right here, right at the corner. The struggle is real. You know that? Sucks so much. Okay. Let's do that to this. We have this one. I'm putting the screws for each one. So 1 inch from each side. We countersunk. So that falls into the first one. Then I'll go 1, 2. So 3 total space. Then I'll put another screw. 1, 2. Put another screw. 1, 2. Another screw. Okay, after you're done screwing the 3 runners down to the sled, so here when it starts to curve like this, I put extra like screw. They're more closer together. So 1, 2, 3, and then from there I went 2 spots, these slots here. So 1 here, 1, 2, 1 here, 1, 2, and then the last one at the end falls on that line again. So do that for all 3 runners. On the instructions, it does say that you need an extra man to help you, or ask the wife. And yeah, they are correct. You need somebody to help you, especially to bend right here on this corner. For these 2 screws, you need somebody to push this down, and then you could go on the other side from underneath and put the washer and the bolt there. So you do need that. And then once you lift it, so this is the look from inside. So you have all your washers and bolts sticking out. It doesn't have to be perfect. No one's going to be looking at it. It just needs to be in working order. And then what's left inside, this is what's left, the extra screws, washers, and a couple bolts. So you could use them, you could put more if you want. In my situation, 6 on each runner, good enough. All right guys, thanks for watching, and have a nice day.